Whoa! Huh? What's this? A string? It's a string.
Shifu, what are you doing?
Just playing with my string.
Well, that looks boring.
Not if you do it right.
You mean there's a right way?
Yeah, first you gotta wire into it and swipe. The whole goal is to get it,
Shifu.
coming.
Hmm. I wonder.